Hello and welcome to KCFit training. On this video today, I'm going to demonstrate the burpee. So I'm going to give a tutorial on the burpee. I'll demonstrate the burpee first, and then I'll have my friend Evan join in, and I will coach Evan on how to do a burpee with different variations of different levels for each person to do, and a bit of training protocol is going to be in conjunction with that. So we're going to add some training ideas at the end. So here's what a burpee looks like. This is a general burpee. Do a jump, squat, push the hip back, keep the hips high, arms straight, high plank, lock your legs out, push up, lock the arms out, pull the hands back as if you're pulling the floor under you, hips up, and then jump into jump squat. I'll demonstrate this a bit faster now. And that's what a burpee looks like. So now I'll have Evan come and join us, and I will have Evan start by doing a jump squat. This is Evan, everyone. So Evan is going to bring your arms back, reach to the side, and drop into a squat. Stop there. Now place your hands onto the floor. Activate your lat muscles and push back into a high plank. Hold. Lock your legs. Engage your glutes. Engage your core. Keep your chest open. Eyes will be slightly ahead. Spread your fingers wide, feel the energy through all your fingertips and palm. Now do a push-up. That looks really good. Lock your arms out, jump with the hips coming up high, and then go into a jump squat. Good. So, with the jump squat from here, depending on the flexibility of the individual, we want to minimize lifting the heels up too much and bending your knees forward. That puts a lot of pressure on the knees. So you want to have the hips up, and the knees can come forward a bit, but not too much. If the heels come up a bit, be careful not to drop the hips too much. Alright, so you can lift the heels a bit, but don't drop the hips too much. So jump first, land in a jump squat, good. Put the hands down. Good. Lock it out, push up. Good, stop, come back up, nice, that's good, and jump. Right. So when you land, make sure you land with your heel coming down. Yeah, good. And then you can always lift the heel afterwards. So, down, then lift the heels. So this way you have a good support, you have good stability on you. Let's do one more. Just pull through the whole thing. Beautiful. Good. Okay, so it looks like you're becoming more flexible as you go through it. So you start to warm up. So, but let's say you're having difficulty doing a push-up, or you hate doing push-ups at the moment. I'd like to see Evan do a burpee with his arms straight, low push-up, then land and jump. So this is one option. Excellent. Okay, so don't forget to lock your knees out at the end when you go into your plank. Now, let's do the opposite. No jumping, but add the push-up right now. So like this. And stand up. Good. No jump, stand up, reach up. One more. Lovely. Good. So one of the things we have to watch for is when we get into the push-up, when you're coming up, don't leave your hip there. Bring the hips up with you. So now Evan, let's see a different option here. So no push-up and no jumping. Try that. No push-up, no jumping. Good. Alright, so this is a great way to start your burpees by doing no push-up, no jumping, and if you would like to get into the push-up and the jumping, but it's too much at the moment, you can do them separately. So you would do your squat jumps as a separate exercise. You do your push-ups as a separate exercise. And over time, you can add one push-up, one squat jump, but continue to practice. Continue to practice this exercise and build up the numbers. And you can do sets of 5s and build up to 10. So let's see you try for 10 in a row. No push-ups, no jumping. And don't forget to lock your legs at the plank. Lock it, good. Stretch out the legs when you go to your plank. Nice, very good. Activate your lats when you go into your plank, right there. A bit more abdominals. Yeah. One more time. Good. So now everyone can do that first. Take a break, and then come and knock out 5 push-ups at him. Do 5 push-ups. Spread your fingers wide. So his push-ups are kind of narrow, so that's a narrow push-up. Give me 2 wider push-ups. Okay, that's it. Okay, so take a short break now. So you can mix it up. You can go narrow, you can go wide, depending on how you feel. But narrow push-up is typically a bit more intense. Now try 5 squat jumps. Squat jumps? Squat jumps. Bring your arms down here. Let's bring up. One more. Excellent, good. So, if you notice, Evan was dropping his forefoot and down to his heel for stability, and that's basically how you can train for doing the burpee with the push-up and the squat jump, and then put it all together. So you're working it separately, and then you put it all together. On Wednesdays, every Wednesday on my Instagram, I do a live 100 burpee Wednesdays. That's at Kim Chan Ramratan. So Instagram live at Kim Chan Ramratan. Join me there, and we'll do 100 burpees. And I also do some training on that same video. So sometimes we do drills, sometimes we just do 100 burpees for time. Thank you all very much.